Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. I got a brand new box. This was waiting on me when I got home from work. It is the Hello Fresh box. This is my first time ever trying the Hello Fresh. I saw it on SheCrafty's channel. And children, if I can't use it, I can at least use these papers for a fan. So let's see, we got an envelope. So this is probably like the billing or whatnot. Okay, we got a wine coupon, 50% off your first wine box. So there's that. And a 50% off of a takecareof.com, which I probably won't use, but I might check into that. It looks like personalized vitamins. Then we have some information introducing the first ever HelloFresh Mother's Day box, and I did see that on there. That looked really interesting. And then we have the recipe cards, and I chose 3 meals, and I need to take these off so I can see something, guys. The cheesy stuffed barbecue pork burgers, and these are spicy, but I can leave the peppers off for the hubby, or just put them to the side for me because it's a jalapeno pepper. I can just chop that up and put it to the side for me. So we have that. That's what that looks like. Then the next meal is creamiest mushroom ravioli with Parmesan and heirloom grape tomatoes. This one is not spicy at all. It tells you on these cards like all your ingredients down at the bottom. It tells you your prep time and the calories, so that's really cool. And then on the back there is your how-to. And then the last meal is pork carnitas tacos with pickled onion and Monterey Jack. Again, I think this comes with a poblano pepper. I'll leave it off to the side because hubby doesn't do the hot stuff. And again, all the info down on the bottom, the ingredients, and the how-to on the back. So this one went on my back deck. I've already opened it, but I've not got into it. It's really thick, insulated like cardboard stuff. And it is heavy, guys. This box is heavy. Does it say how much it weighs? I do not know. I know it's heavy. It's 14 pounds. It's 14 pounds. So this is the pork carnitas bag. And Miss SheCrafty told me to make sure to get to the bottom because that's where the meats are. This is the creamiest mushroom ravioli bag. And then here is the pork burgers bag. So they have everything separated out for you. And then it tells you, don't forget the items hiding underneath. So here is a gigantic freezer pack. I don't know if it's a reusable, but it is recyclable. So I'm going to sit it in the sink for a moment. It's still froze hard as a rock. So underneath, we have some ground pork. We have raviolis. And we have some more ground pork. So it's really cool. It's all in another. I wonder if you can reuse these. It doesn't say. I'll have to ask SheCrafty and know if you can refreeze those. But that's everything in the box, and we can reuse this box. Okay, so let's put what goes with what. That way I can just keep it all together in the fridge. This is the ground pork. It goes with a pork carnitas. And there is check it out, guys. Everything you need is in here. Your flour tortillas. A big old pepper. Is this is a poblano pepper. I've never used one of these. That's a big old pepper, okay? We have some fresh cilantro. We have a fresh sour cream. That'll be all mine. Hubby doesn't do sour cream either, so that is all mine. We have a really big red onion. And tomato paste. Fiesta spice blend. Oh, it's still going. Hold on. White wine vinegar. Check out the little bottle. So I'm going to put everything back down in this bag. Tomato. A lime. We're still going. This is, looks like chicken stock maybe. Little thing of chicken stock. Yes. And some Monterey Jack cheese. But I can tell you right now that's not enough cheese for the both of us. I'll add more cheese. So that's everything that's in this bag. So I'm going to put it back all down in there. So I'll keep it all together. So that is really cool. That'll probably, I don't know if this will be dinner tomorrow because we just had regular tacos. Or not. So I'm going to put everything down in this bag. Close it back up. Don't forget the cheese, Shannon. And then the ground pork will go in the fridge. So there's another ground pork, or in the freezer. We'll freeze it. This is the cheesy stuffed burgers. Okay. Get the sheet for that. It doesn't have nearly as many as ingredients. It looks like 2 brioche buns. Oh, it says potato buns, so that's cool. 2 potato buns. We have Monterey Jack cheese. We have the jalapeno. Sweet potatoes, because it's sweet potato fries. So sweet potatoes. We have a little glass jar of classic barbecue sauce. And what are you? The pineapple, because it's got pineapple on it. So that's everything that's in this one. And again, I'm just going to put everything in there. I may leave the buns out of the fridge. There is that meal. I can't wait to make these. So next up is the raviolis. That's quite a bit of ravioli. And ooh, we have a whole package of mushrooms. That's us right there. It's red pepper flake. That's mine. We have, check out this little container of cherry tomatoes. And I actually have some more cherry tomatoes in the fridge I can use up, so I can add to that. Some fresh grown parsley, and I love how they put their herbs in like these little containers. It is fresh, it is green, it is pretty. We have some sour cream, and we have some Parmesan. We have a shallot, and it looks like some veggie stock. So all that goes back in this bag. And I'll leave the raviolis in there with that one. And I have all my bags together. So that was that meal. So with this plan, you can get 2 to 4 meals every week. You can easily skip a week. I've already skipped next week. If I don't want to do it, just skip that week. If you want to cancel, I did do this week using Tracy's coupon code, and I can leave her channel down below, and I can leave her fresh video unboxing link down below, so you can just check her out. That link is there. I also will have my link if you want to go through mine. Either way, happy campers. So you can do 2 to 4 meals a week. You can skip a week. You can cancel anytime, and it just depends on your meals. This plan I got is right around $50 a week, but like I said, I had a coupon, Tracy's coupon, or was it 60? I think it was 60 a week for this one. 50 something plus shipping. That's what it was. It's 50 plus shipping, and I had a $40 coupon using Tracy's code. So for this first week of meals, it was $21. So I got 3 meals for $21 just to try it. So I thought that was really cool. And it gives us something different to eat. I don't think I've ever made pork burgers, ever. I made turkey burgers. I don't think I've ever done a pork burger, so that's really cool. Or pork canitas. Say it. And I got potato buns, so that's really cool. So I'll leave everything linked down below if you want to check this box out. I'll leave the Hello Fesh website down there as well. And if you've already tried it, let me know how you're liking it. What are some of your favorite recipes? Because I want to kind of get an idea which ones are really good to try. We love sweet potato fries, so that was really good. We love pasta. And we love anything that's kind of, you know, the Mexican food. I'm already hungry. So, carnitas, Shannon. It's carnitas. Alright guys, I'm going to get this stuff in the fridge. Just a really quick unboxing. I will definitely do one of these meals for you. Probably the burgers. I hear somebody moving around. Is that my fatty boy? But yep, I'll have all the info listed down below for you if you want to check it out. And stay tuned. I will be doing one of these meals for you guys. And you can see how it's done. Probably the burgers, because that had the most ingredients, and that would be fun. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. Be sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you on the next one.